Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of art and design 1 semester 1. The topic of our today's lecture is Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization was one of the world's first great urban civilizations. It flourished in the vast river plains and adjacent regions in what are now Pakistan and Western India. The earliest cities became integrated into an extensive urban culture around 4600 years ago and continued to dominate the region for at least 700 years, from 1900 to 2600 BC. It was only in the 1920s that the burned cities and villages of Indus Valley were recognized by archaeologists as representing an undiscovered civilization. The people who built and ruled these cities belonged to what archaeologists refer to as the Harappa culture or Indus civilization. This civilization developed at approximately the same time as the early cities of Egypt and Mesopotamia. Thank you, students.